Let me show you guys two ways on how you guys can share Instagram Reel to TikTok. The first thing is you need to download the Instagram Reel. So open up your Instagram. Once you open your Instagram, click on your profile picture at the bottom right and click on the Reels icon which is in the middle. Now if it is a Reel which you made, you can easily download it. And there's tons of video on YouTube which teaches you how to download your Reel, and you can just download your Reel and post it on TikTok. Now if you want to download the Reels of other creator, it's different. So I'm just going to go to the Reel tab, and let's say I want to share this reel. I'm going to click on the little arrow icon right above the three dot, and then I will click in copy link. Once this link is copied, I'm going to go into my browser and search for Instagram Reel Downloader like this. Search like this, and then you want to click on Instagram Reels Downloader online. Over here, you need to paste the link which you just copied and click and download, and scroll a bit down and click and download. Once you do that, the reel will download. Once the reel is downloaded, you can just go into TikTok and upload it like how you normally upload any video. So these are two ways on how you guys can upload Instagram Reel to TikTok. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.